Hi, today we shall create an e-commerce website completely for free. You will need your mobile phone and your PC to do this. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Play Store, search for Zyadashop app and install it. Now open the app and tap on Get Started. Enter your mobile number and it will take you to the next section automatically. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. Tap Allow. Here enter your store details and keep going on. Here give a name which is going to be the URL of your store. Be careful, you can't change it later. This is the interface of the app on Android device. You can explore the app if you want. Now on PC, search Zyadashop for PC. Click on the first site that comes up. Click on Get Started. Enter the mobile number and click Send OTP. Enter the OTP and continue. This is the interface for PC. We shall now add our logo. Click Account from left-hand side panel and click Edit Business Details. Click here and browse your logo. Here you may need to modify the image. Okay, now we have updated our logo. Let's add some more business details. Let's add a product to our store. For adding new product, we have to create a new category. Let's do this. Click here and drag and drop the image. Click Upload Image. Enter the category name and other details. Now type subcategory name and click Add Subcategory. Click on Add Catalog. Now go to New Item. Click here and drag and drop the image. Click Upload Image. Enter the product name and other details. Click Add Product. Let's see how does our site look. This is our site. Let's place an order. It's so user-friendly that I don't need to tell how an order needs to be placed. This is how you place the order. It's very easy. Let's go back to our site and process the order. Click here and you will get all the options for processing the order. Click on the order and accept it after reviewing it. After you ship the order, click Ship. When the order is delivered, click Deliver. That's how an order is processed. But there is something still missing. Let's add 10 products in bulk. Go to Inventory and click Bulk Items Upload. Here are all the instructions. So let's download and open the Excel file. We have to edit this file as instructed. Okay, I have edited the file and saved it. Now we shall upload the file in our store. Click on this button and select the file. See here, all the items have been imported from our Excel sheet. Before adding the items, you have to select the category. Okay, now click on Add Items. Done. Let's check our store. Here we go. All the items are here and anyone can order them. For accepting prepaid orders, we are going to enable Zyadashop Pay in our store. We shall also need to do KYC for that. Back in the Android device, open Manage section. Go to Payment Gateways. Select Zyadashop Pay. Enter email, account holder's name and UPI ID. Click on Activate Online Payment. Now for KYC, you have to get these documents ready. In Home section, click here and follow the steps mentioned. This is my own store. After KYC verification, This is a preview of how a customer can prepay for ordering. That's all for today. Hope you have learned something from this video. By the way, if you had thought to subscribe my channel but forgot, you can do this now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.